you know what is a function is, right? You have to know what is a function means. What is a function? Some of the basic functions are like, you know, y is equal to f of x. A function should have a domain and range. Okay, the domain means set of input, the space of input values are called domain. Okay, space of input values are called domain. Then range. What does a range means? That output value, once you substitute suppose this is your function, if you're substituting the input values, the output value you are getting is nothing but range. Guys, you can unmute your mic, okay, during the lecture. If you have any doubt, means you can ask me at the later part of the lecture. Okay, so range is nothing but output values. Okay, so we can this basic introduction of function is nothing but you can shift the function. You know about the concept of shifting a function. Okay, for example, let me give you one particular function, y is equal to x square. Okay, and some of the properties, axioms of the functions are like, you know, a function can have, for a single input, it can have multiple outputs. Okay, but the reverse cannot be, it cannot be possible. For example, for a single output, you cannot be having a two different input. Okay, for example, this part of the semicircle can be a function. This is your x and this is your y, right? This part of the semicircle can be a function, because for this, like if you see this particular graph, okay, this is your x, this is your f of x, right? For a single, okay, so a function means like for two different inputs, we can have a single output. Okay, for example, there are like for particular, we can say a plus a and minus a will be having the same values, right? Minus a and plus a will be having the same value of y. This is possible. But if you take the other way around, like this, take this kind of semicircle. Okay, for a particular value of like f of y, we should not have a, otherwise you can take a full circle, right? Sorry, if you take a full circle, this is not a function. Okay, you got it, right? This is not a function, because for a single output, okay, we can say that we'll be having two different outputs. For example, for a particular x, we should be uniquely having only one y. Okay, even though for a let me take a point plus a, for a particular point s plus a, if I'm estimating the function, means I can give a unique value of y. Okay, but for the same point a, if you do the projection function, you will be getting two value of a, right? Y plus a means you are getting one value here, and y plus a, further you are getting another value here. So this is not a function. So these are the basic brief introduction of what is a function means. You can go and refer the websites also. Now let me talk about some geometric intuition of how to shift a function. Okay, suppose I'm having a function y is equal to x square. Okay, y is equal to x square. If I want to shift the function, how the function will look like? If I plot the function, means it will look like something like this. Okay, if I want to shift the function to the right hand side, means just add a constant, okay, in the corresponding to the x term. For example, if I want to shift function, this entire function to x is equal to the right hand side, like this. This is shifting property. If you want to shift the function somewhere around here, means this is nothing but, this is nothing but y is equal to x along the point 1, x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, here I am shifting the function to the right hand side. Similarly, if I want to shift the function to the left hand side, means here, want to shift the function to the left hand side means it is nothing but y is equal to x plus 1 the whole square. You got the concept, right? This is like shifting in the horizontal direction. If I want to shift the function in the vertical direction means just add a constant in the y. For example, if I want to shift the function in the vertical direction, a function will look like something like this, right? This particular function. This is my function y is equal to x square. Okay, y is equal to x square. If I want to shift the function up along plus 1, we want to shift the function along like this. Okay, so this is nothing but y is equal to x square plus 1. You got it, right? Similarly, if I want to shift the function downwards, okay, this is nothing but y is equal to x square minus 1. So this will shift the function to here downward in minus 1 area. Okay, once again, guys. Yeah, so this is plus 1, 0, minus 1. This is a shifting property of a function. Okay, now let us move on to the concept of, there are a lot of functions like trigonometric functions, polynomial functions, okay, transcendental function. You know about this function, right? Polynomial function means something like sorry guys, yeah, polynomial function means something like this. Okay, x power n like x n minus 1. These are like a polynomial function. Then you know about the trigonometric function. Okay, this is like trigonometric function. When sine 0 is equal to 0, it will start from 0. Then the sinus function will look something like this. Okay, this is pi by 2. This is sin x function. Okay, trigonometric function. Then transcendental functions. Okay, there are transcendental function means exponential function, logarithmic function can be called as transcendental function. Okay, so these are some of the functions of you know about these functions very well.